Two of the most common animals we think of when it comes to ocean animals are dolphins and sharks. There seems to be a constant competition between the two species when it comes to variety of topics, ranking from who is more intelligent to would win in a fight. That's why we want to make a determination with who is going to be a winner and loser of a fight between these two. So before going to the video, we would like to remind you that if you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel yet, subscribe now and stay tuned with us. So guys, who do you think is smarter? Who do you think would win the fight? To see, let's go to the video now. First of all, I will tell you some interesting facts about dolphins. Dolphins can be found all over the world and in different environments. The Amazon River is home to 4 species of river dolphin that are found nowhere else on Earth. Bottlenose dolphins are usually fairly slow swimmers, traveling at about 2 miles per hour. However, they can reach speeds of over 30 miles per hour for a brief period. When dolphins eat, they swallow a fish head first, so the fish spins don't catch their throat. When hunting, dolphins produce bubble to herd their prey to the surface. They sometimes also use a hunting technique called fish whacking, where they use their tail to hit fish and so stun them, making them easier to catch. Dolphins have some of the most elaborate acoustic abilities in the animal kingdom. They make a variety of sounds including whistles, clicks, squawks, squeaks, and etc. Dolphins are one of the few species, along with apes and humans, that have the ability to recognize themselves in the mirror. This is considered reflective of their intelligence. Dolphins are also among the few animals that have been documented using tools. Bottlenose dolphins sleep with one half of their brain at a time and keep one eye open. It is believed they do this to keep an eye out for their group, to make sure they stick together and to look out of predators like sharks. So now let me tell you about our opponent. Sharks are apex predators. Many have several rows of teeth and can lose and replace thousands of teeth in their lifetimes. As predators, sharks play 9 vital roles in the health of marine ecosystem. They are from the size of a human hand to the largest, which can be up to 12 meters long. All the sharks have a sixth sense that helps them hone in one prey during the final phase of attack. The ampullae or lorenzini are found on sharks' snouts and can sense the electric fields emitted by animals in the surrounding water. Most sharks have good eyesight. Their skin feels exactly like sandpaper because it is made of teeth-like structures called placoid scales. Their strong sense of smell allows them to detect blood in the water miles away. Depends on the size and species of sharks and dolphins. Dolphins are fast, agile, intelligent, very capable swimmers, and they will easily escape the jaws of a shark when engaged in a fight. In my opinion, if there will be a fight between these two ocean giants, it would surely win dolphin. So guys, this is how the video ends today. I hope you will surely enjoy this content. If this video is value for you, like the video and share with your friends. Stay safe all, and see you again in next interesting video.